guys, welcome to our next episode.
Yeah. That's Hello Kitty.
On the moon.
Oh, Hello Kitty on the moon.
That's right.
Going to make the face of Hello Kitty first.
Yup.
And then the suit. A space suit. And his transparent helmet. So Hello Kitty can look at the beautiful star.
That's right. By the way, let's do this on now.
Okay. We're going to make his suit.
Yup, the bodysuit.
It protects Hello Kitty and everything that is foreign to her body, and she can also breathe because of that spacesuit.
Because it has oxygen. Okay, let's do some leg.
Okay. And his boots, astronaut boots.
Yep, they're called astronaut boots.
Okay.
And let's decorate the moon.
Yeah. We can see in the moon that it has some craters.
Yep,
That crater
and
is
the moon.
yeah. So his backpack. His oxygen
Yep, and there's the earth
behind
and there's some other
planet.
yeah,
And
that
also stars.
like the biggest planet like Jupiter.
Yeah. Oh, you know the biggest planet? Very
Yeah,
good.
it's Jupiter. Well, that makes sense because it's very big than the Earth.
Okay, let's color now. First, our beloved planet, the Earth.
Yeah.
It's full of green, suggesting of life in it.
Yeah, and
Blue,
must.
water. Okay.
Let's color the bow.
Yeah. Her favorite color
Bang!
is pink. And also his space suit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's decorate it more.
Yeah, more.
Color her more. And some beautiful
And some shade
neon.
on her. Also the moon with gray.
Some shadows on her body. I'm using a blue-gray color.
Yeah, and we have to end this very soon. It's almost actually done. So let's add some decoration and then
Let's make his helmet first. We're
Yeah.
going to color it. You want to go to the moon someday? Or you want to stay here on Earth?
well, actually I don't know how it works.
You can't breathe at the moon. Yeah, so you have to bring some oxygen tank to breathe. Okay, I'm doing the stars. And also the background. Outer space is a little darker, so I am using purple and some orange.
Okay, now thank you guys to watching our new episode.
Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe and follow.
We are going to make more Hello Kitty illustrations.
And new characters. So,
What do you want next?
okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.